We want a place to hang some of our utensils up to get them out of our drawers and organize a bit. And we've got this wall here. We are going to DIY create some sort of utensil hanger and mount it right there underneath our cabinets. And we've been looking at some online, nothing that we really have the stuff for, so we're going to do it all out of wood and dowels possibly and see what we can create. All right, we have this leftover edge glued pine with some cool knots in it and a little dowel. We measured the size we want, so we're going to cut it down and then measure out some holes, get those glued in. All right, we measured a piece 3 inches by 29 inches. We made marks, placed all our utensils where we wanted them, made marks. We're going to draw a line halfway through this entire board, and that's where we're going to drill the holes on these. X there, there, all the way down. That's where we'll drill our holes at. We went ahead, sanded this with the palm sander with 80 grit sandpaper. And now we're going to cut this dowel down to 2.5 inches. The thickness of this, we went all the way through. Thickness of this is 1 inch. We're going to get it all the way in, 1.5 inches sticking out. That's enough for all of our utensils to hang on. We are going to distress this a little bit to make it look a little worn. Let's get a cool hammer. Ooh, I like that.
Yeah.
All right, it's all distressed. We're going to glue in the pegs.